Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you will want to go into the settings. From here, scroll down to Device Care. Choose your storage option right here. Tap on your SD card at the bottom. Or actually, let's go back. There's Advanced option where... There we go. And then SD card. And from here you have the format option right at the top. Now this card is basically empty, so I'm not going to be losing anything here. But in your case, you might want to make sure you're not going to be removing anything that you would like to keep, so photos, videos, stuff like that. Because if you format your card like I just did, this will basically remove everything from it, and this process is irreversible, so you won't be able to get back your files. But once it's finished, and click on done, and you're completely done with the format. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.